Guys, today I'll show you how to download and configure DVWA, which is abbreviation of Damn Vulnerable Web Application. And it is a PHP MySQL web application. And the main goal of this tool is kind of creating pen testing playground and aid to penetration testers and security professional to test their skills and tools. So in addition to that, it can help web DevOps to better understand how to secure applications. Also, it may help students and teachers to learn all about web application security and possible vulnerabilities. So where you can start, the very first thing you need to download the XAMPP download, and for that you have to go to Google and type XAMPP download, and this is the page. And from here you can download either any of the um, uh, the software. I downloaded PHP 8.208. When you click that one, it will be downloaded in the download folder, and from there you can click. And the second part you need is to download the damn vulnerable web application. Go to the GitHub, and here you can download the zip file. And after you download the zip file, that this is the zip file, and then you can extract it on your computer like that. And from here you need to change your name DVWA and removing the masters from there, and then copy that one to and from there you can copy that the folder, the one we downloaded, extracted, and change the name to DVWA, and just copy and paste under HDocs here. So I already have posted here. And then you need to change the name of this file, which is configuration.inc, and previously it has uh, name like configuration.inc.php something. Remove that one and bring it to the PHP file extension like that. So the very first one, you need to download XAMPP tool, and I'll provide the link in the description section. And then secondly, you need to download DVWA, a master file from the GitHub. I will provide the link as well. So after you download both of them, this tool, you can extract and
So after extracting this file, change the name of
after
this folder
extracting this
from
one, change the name of
DWA
this
to
file to
masters to only DVWA.
DVWA, and keep it here. Now the next step is set up the XAMPP. Click OK. Next, 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 and let it install the tool on it. So this will install all the uh, modules which are required to run XAMPP. And further that we will configure DVWA from there. So there are a couple of steps, and I'll show you one by one how to do that. So now we have a main panel of XAMPP control panel, and from there you can check if your all these tools are running well. Apache is good. MySQL is good. In case there is an error, MySQL, it means you already have MySQL on your system. Delete that one. FileZilla. Next one. Tomcat. So it means I do not have Java JDK on my system. For that, I need to download Java JDK. So now you can see everything is configured properly and all the tools are up. Now that so up to here we are done with the XAMPP configuration. Now we will be doing PHP myadmin. For that, um, I'll go to there. I'll go to the XAMPP folder, hdoc, and here I will copy the and in this folder we need to change the extension of this file to PHP. Enter. Yes. So this part is done. And now we need to configure the MySQL, but from here I can go to PHP myadmin, and here I have this section. So it is working well, but we need to check what is the username and the password into the, and in this file we need to copy these three configuration lines into a separate file just as a record. just copy these 3 lines and put it into a separate file just for the record. Go back to this section, click New, create database. So we are creating a database with the DVWA user, also this one, and the password. So now we have a
So after
database.
creating the
Click
database,
that
I
one.
need to create a user.
Go to
For that, click
privilege.
privileges, and if you get an error like that, uh, go on the left panel back and click MySQL, and from there, scroll down
For
on the
that,
right panel all the way down,
check all
check all, and in this section,
repair
select repair
tables.
table, and that is it. It is resolved. Now go back to the database and create a new user. Go to the privilege again, and here you can
So here
click
add
add new
user,
user and then provide the
username,
username DVWA,
DVWA,
and next you
and the
provide
password.
the password, the one which is in the configuration file, and put it here and retype it, and then
Make sure
select
that grant
grant all
all
privileges,
privileges on
and
database
then
DWA.
click go.
Click go. And now you can make sure that the new user has been created successfully, and this is an indication that it is created successfully. So now you can try to log into localhost slash login.php, and here you can provide DVWA and the password, and here you go. So now we are in the tool, but here we can see there are a couple of errors, like this one disabled, and this section is missing. So for that, we need to go to Apache configuration file, PHP in, and here,
So in this file, PHP in file, search for allow URL include
so
that
check for
configuration
include
and
disabled,
change it to
make it,
on.
change it to on, and
Then
then
next, you
the
need
other one
to
is
search for
G,
the GD,
that is disabled, that
and
is GD, and
this is
that is
this one is
commented.
commented. Remove
Remove
the
the
comment
comments,
and save the file.
save file, close it, and here go back, stop, restart,
And refresh this
refresh,
page, and you
and
can see that
you can
all
see
these
all those
errors have gone. So it is
errors
successfully configured.
have been removed successfully. So the security, go to security, low, submit, and here is the JavaScript. Access is reflected. What is your name? My name here.
So
So
this
this
is
is
all
all
I
I
have
have
for
for
today,
today, and in
and
this video
in
I
this
showed
video
you how
I'll
to
show you how to
configure the
configure
DVWA
this
on
DVWA
window
tool
machine. In the next
on
video I
your
will
window
bring
machine. In the next video, I'll show you how to run that script from here as well as from the Linux. And this is all I have. Thank you. Bye.